Hey guys, today I've got a Kenmore washer and electric dryer I'll be showing after the washer. I just want to show you real quick as if you were standing here yourself. Got it going, full load of clothes down there, it's filling up. We're going to allow it to move through its cycle. I'm going to show you that it agitates correctly, drains out, and then spins accordingly. You'll see that everything operates nice, smooth, sounds great. I do a 28-point inspection on the washer, 22-point inspection on the dryer. Everything mechanical and electrical gets checked just to ensure everything is working perfectly before I list it up for sale. And kind of purpose of this video is so you know when you buy it, take it home, plug it in, everything's going to work good. So we're on to the agitation. A really good job getting those clothes nice and clean. So we'll let that move through and we'll come back and show you the final spin. Alright, and it is draining now. You can hear it draining. This up. It's going to move on into the rinse cycle there. Alright, we're back for the final spin cycle here. It is just about up to full speed. I'm going to open this lid here and show you that it is spinning nice and fast. Lid switch is going to kick in and shut it down. Safety switch there. But I do that just so that you know it is spinning nice and fast. It's nice smooth. Alright, we'll go ahead and open that up. There you go. Alright, I'll let that finish up, then I'll move those over to the dryer, show you that the dryer is nice smooth operation and is heating appropriately. Okay, now we're on to our Whirlpool electric dryer, and I've got those clothes moved in here. We're just going to put this on time dry, high heat, and hit go. See, it's got nice smooth operation. Sounds great. And with my heat gun, I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating. So in between those two red dots is where it's going to take its measurement for temperature. So it's about 78 degrees there, just for about 72 on the floor. So we'll open this up. We're going to shoot this right inside the heating element tube. So you can see there's plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. And then, so the heating element pumps the heat out of this tube here, which in turn heats the inside of your dryer anywhere from about 95 to 195. Just depends on what you have this heat setting at. Because there is a low for delicates, medium, casual, and then towels, jeans, or just a heavy load you'd do heavy on. So, really that's it, guys. Now you know these work. When you get them home, plug them in, everything's going to work good. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks.